Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and George Pig on a cruise ship.
Let's start drawing.
First I draw the cabin where Peppa and George sleep while they are on the cruise ship. I start with the bunk bed. I draw the bottom of the bed on the floor. And I add 2 life preservers. And a pirate hat. Then I draw the ladder. And the other bed on the top. Now let's draw George Pig. First I draw his blanket with mini sailboats on it. Next I draw George Pig lying in the bed. I start with his eyes. Then I draw his head, mouth, and a circle for his cheek. And his pillow. Now let's draw Peppa Pig in the bed above. I draw her eyes, nose, and the shape of her head. Then I draw her mouth and a circle for her cheek. I add her ears. She's in her pajamas. I draw her pillow and a blanket with mini anchors on it. Let's finish the cabin by adding all the details. I draw a small circular window where Peppa is. The sun is visible. Good morning, little pigs! Now let's draw the side of the cabin. With a small boat. Cabins are usually very small, but it's enough space for the 2 little pigs. Their toothbrushes and a mirror. Fantastic!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Let's draw Peppa first. I start coloring her skin with a pink marker. I use light purple for her cheek. And her pajamas, I use fuchsia. I color her blanket with 2 different blue markers. Dark blue. Her pillow is light yellow. Let's color George Pig. I use the same pink marker for his skin. His blanket is red. Blue. And orange. I color his pillow with light yellow. For the ladder, I use dark blue. Now I color the beds with this marker. I color the window red. The sun is yellow. And the sky is blue. I color the life preservers orange and yellow, black. For the walls, I use this marker. And the mirror is light blue. I colored the faucet with gray. Finally, I use blue and pink for the toothbrushes.
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.